To my channel. In this video we're going to see chapter 4 simple equation exercise 4.1 question number 2. Check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. So the method to do this is just like the same as the first question number 1. So you'll have to substitute. For example, if n is equal to 1 is the solution, means if you substitute the value for n in the given equation, then your LHS would be equal to RHS. The same concept only here also we're going to apply. Okay. So let's do the problem. Question number 1. So question number 2, subdivision A, n plus 5 is equal to 9 for n is equal to 1. Now let's check whether n is equal to 1 is the solution or not. Okay. So let's take LHS. LHS is equal to n plus 5. Let's substitute the value here. 1 plus 5. So 1 plus 5 is 6. Look at the RHS here, it is 19. So it is not equal to RHS. So here LHS is not equal to RHS. So n is equal to 1 is not the solution for the given equation. Okay, this is subdivision A. So you'll have to do like this. Okay. Subdivision B. 7n plus 5 is equal to 9 for n is equal to minus 2. So in the same way we'll write down LHS. LHS here is 7n plus 5. Let's substitute the value for n. Okay, 7 into minus 2 plus 5. What is 7 into minus 2? Plus into minus is minus. 7 into 2 is 14. Okay, two different sign, if you multiply you will get negative answer. Two same sign numbers, if you multiply you will get a positive answer. Okay, so here different sign numbers I am multiplying, so I am getting a negative answer, which is minus 14 plus 5. So what is minus 14 plus 5? It is minus 9. Like two different sign means you will subtract with the bigger number sign. Different sign means you will subtract with the bigger number sign. So minus 9, again it is not equal to RHS. So n is equal to minus 2 is not the solution. Okay, you will write down like this. 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. This is subdivision C. So again in the same way we'll write down LHS here. 7n plus 5. Let's substitute the value for n. 7 into 2 plus 5. 7 into 2 is 14 plus 5, which is 19. Look at the RHS here, it is also 19. So it is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS here. So the value in the bracket, that is n is equal to 2, is the solution. See how simple it is. Just one concept for all the problems. This is how you will do. Subdivision D. 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. So let's write down the LHS here. 4p minus 3. Let's substitute the value for p. 4 into 1 minus 3, which is 4 minus 3, which is 1. Look at the RHS here, it is 13. So it is not equal to the RHS. So the value in the bracket, which is p is equal to 1, is not the solution. So this is how we will write. Subdivision E. 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. So in the same way, let's write down LHS. 4p minus 3. Let's substitute the value. 4 into p is minus 4. So let's substitute minus 3. Again, two different sign, if you multiply, you will get a negative answer, as I have already told you. So how you will get, I'll explain you the other way. Plus into minus is minus, okay. 4 into 4 is 16, minus 3, minus 16, minus 3 is minus 19. Look here, it is RHS is 13, right? So it is not equal to RHS. So the value in the bracket, which is P is equal to minus 4, is not the solution. You will write down like this. F subdivision, 4P minus 3 is equal to 13. In the same way, let's write down LHS. 4P minus 3. Let's substitute the value for P. 4 into 0 minus 3. Any number multiplied by 0 is again 0. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. Look at the RHS here, it is 13. So here it is not equal to RHS. So the value in the bracket P is equal to 0 is not the solution. So you will write down like this. Okay. So with this, question number 2 gets over. In the next video, we'll see question number 3.